My name is Mona Water. I'm from Scarborough, Ontario, and the name of my brand is Majestic Wisdom. Fashion to me is a way to express our identity, also our culture. I believe fashion is also an art form, a form of expression, and it's very representative of our lifestyles. So I feel that as consumers and having fashion as a part of our lifestyle, we're all somehow connected to the workers that are creating the garments that we buy, and we don't see a lot of the times the things that happens behind the scenes. With my brand, I really wanted to make it more than just about fashion. I want to hold a higher standard for myself as a designer and also a consumer. As a consumer, the clothes on my back can always be traced back to the hands that stitched each piece that I'm wearing. And I feel that's very important to recognize. So my design style is very heavily influenced by West African culture and Black culture in general. I draw on elements from each of them, whether it be through like the bold prints, West African pattern prints that I use, or African symbolism. I also want to be very true to my roots and my morals in the designs that I create. I want my brand to help shape the way that my culture is viewed in the media by creating designs that truly reflect its diversity.